How to fix high ping in League of Legends. Now, the tutorial I'm about to show you will work for any game or just your internet in general, and not only for League of Legends. So the way that you would do this is by going into Control Panel and go into your Network and Sharing Center. From here, click on Ethernet, go to Properties, go to Internet Protocol version 4, Properties, and then use the following DNS server address. We're gonna type in is 8888 and then 8844 and then okay. So if we go to the properties again, as you can see, it is applied automatically. Now the other thing that you can do is going into Open Network and Internet settings. Once you're here, go to change adapter options and then disable this driver. Wait a few seconds and then enable it again. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.